Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the general character of the fungi and their classification according to their structure. They are aseptate or septate. In this lecture, we will discuss about the first group of classification, that is Phycomycetes, the lower fungi, which are aseptate and coinocytic. Coinocytic means multinucleated. We have discussed earlier that if there is no division in hyphae, so the nucleus stage is multinucleate stage. If the septate division is there, single cell represent itself, there is uninucleate. मीन्स अगर हाइफी के अंदर डिवीजन नहीं है तो इट्स शो ए कंडीशन ऑफ मल्टीन्यूक्लिएट. इट्स नोन एज कोइनोसाइटिक एसेप्टेट कंडीशन. फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर हैबिटेट द एक्वेटिक moist and damp places. Nutrition, they are saprophytic, they decompose the material, and the Phycomycetes are basically depend upon wood for their food. Reproduction by two types. Asexual reproduction, forming of zoospore. The motile spore are known as zoospore, which are diploid gametes which produce the new young one, or we can say zoospores are the diploid cellular structure which produce new young one. Next, if the spore have non-motile condition known as aplanospore, both are the spores are produced into sporangia during the process of sporangiosis. Next, the Phycomycetes also further divide into two types, oomycetes and zygomycetes. Zygomycetes basically conjugation. We know the conjugation means the fusion of the cytoplasm and the nucleus. We have studied it earlier into protista and bacteria. So this type of reproduction are here, so they are known as zygomycetes. The oomycetes also have same character like Phycomycetes, because the Phycomycetes higher division and these are the lower division. Aseptate, coinocytic, cell wall present, reproduction by asexual spore formation in sporangia. Zoospores are motile here. Now we will discuss about the first group, that is oomycete. The oomycete having general characters same as zygomycetes. Oomycetes and zygomycetes both are aquatic. Body is aseptate, coinocytic. This is the general characters which are same into the Phycomycetes. Next, reproduction. We are saying that asexual reproduction by zoospore, the spore formation. The zoospores are generally biflagellate. The spore having motility structure known as zoospore, it means it have a structure for their locomotion. So here in oomycetes, the zoospore having biflagellate structure. Both the flagella are heterocont. Heterocont means both the flagella having different structure. If the flagella are same, they are homocont. If the flagella are different, two in number and different to each other, known as heterocont. So here the two flagella, one flagella is smooth, surface is smooth, and other having tinsel type means rough surface. It having smooth surface and another one have rough surface. Now the zoospore, which is diploidiform gametes. Gametes are non-flagellate. So gametes are non-flagellate. We are saying oomycetes. The gametes are produced by both male and female in Antheridia and the Oogonia. Due to presence of Oogonia, its name as oomycetes. In earlier we have discussed zygomycetes means conjugation. Where the conjugation is proceed out, known as zygomycetes. Where the oogonia produce gametes or Antheridium produce gametes, known as oomycetes. After the fusion of the gametes that produce oospore. So why this is known as oomycetes. This is the general discussion about the oomycetes. That is the division of phycomycetes. Example of the phycomycetes are the example of oomycete is Albugo candida. Next we will discuss about the zygomycetes. The conjugation fungi. Common example are Mucor and Rhizopus. This is a common example. As we are saying, the zygomycete conjugation fungi means the reproduction is by the conjugation method. But here the habitat is slightly changed. It is a terrestrial fungi which live on soil surfaces. The structure is same, aseptate, coinocytic means the hyphae having no division and the multinucleated stage is present. The cell wall composed of chitin. We have discussed the chitin is made up of polymerization of N-acetylglucomine. Here the change in reproduction, that is non-motile spore, are there, known as mitospore. So the difference between oomycete and zygomycete, they are the spore are motile, here the spore are non-motile, known as mitospore. Produced in sporangia. Sporangium. The sexual reproduction, this is asexual reproduction. Now the sexual reproduction, we are saying it's conjugation fungi So the conjugation take place कि two zygomycetes are fused together and form a new body, new genetic material by the transfer of the two parents, and the body further divides. That's known as conjugation method. By this process, they are known as conjugation fungi, zygomycetes. Next, we discuss about the example. We have already discussed Mucor and Rhizopus. If you draw a structure of the zygomycetes, it generally like this. This is the hyphae known as mycelium, and the sexual reproduction part, growth, hair, known as sporangia. This is the general structure of mucor. The hyphae, we do not have any septa, known as mycelium. It is multinucleated hyphae having sporangia, which contains non-motile spore, that are mitospore. Next, we will discuss about the next division, that is ascomycetes. There are another example, that is parasitic. We have discussed its parasitic. Mucor, Rhizopus, they are also the example of the phycomycetes. The albugophyndon, mustard, the mucorphyndon, bread. This is the common examples of the oomycete and zygomycete. The next classification is the ascomycetes. The next division is that ascomycetes. The ascomycetes name is because due to the presence of the reproductive organ ascus, which is a sac-like structure which produce the spore. Basically, the ascus means sac-like. So the ascomycetes are sac-like fungi. These are some general characters of the ascomycetes. Here the change. The phycomycetes are aseptate, but they are septate. So the nucleus state is uninucleus. There are a division in their hyphae. So they are unicellular, so uninucleate, multicellular, but except yeast is a unicellular. इसके अंदर मोस्टली सारी मल्टीसेलुलर्स हैं, लेकिन जो यीस्ट है दैट इज ए यूनिसेलुलर फंजाई. In this, the septa mean the line of division having a pore-like structure known as septal pore. which help into the communicate the adjacent cells. मीन्स जो हाइफा होगा उसके अंदर एक लिटिल पोर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज प्रेजेंट फॉर द कम्युनिकेशन ऑन these cells. If the hypha is completely divided, the septa do not have pore, the cells do not communicate to each other. It can cell wall made up of chitin. The next character is that motile structure are absent. So they are known as non-motile fungi. The reproduction, first asexual reproduction, basically by the formation of conidia. The conidia is responsible for the asexual reproduction. Conidia produce non-flagellate mitospore. They produce non-flagellate mitospore which the conidia is lies on the side and tips of hyphae. में जो कोनिडिया होगा वह तो हाइफी के टिप पे प्रेजेंट हो गया, हाइफी के साइड में, एंड नोन एज conidiophore. The conidiophore produce conidia which produce non-flagellate mitospores which help into the asexual reproduction. Now discuss about the first, the character of conidia. They may be green, pink, blue and brown color. So conidia may have multiple color stage. Conidia may be branch or unbranched structure. If we take an example of conidia in Aspergillus, that is a ascomycete, the hyphae, we are saying it's branch. It produce a hyphae chain that's known as conidiophore. The conidiophore bears multiple chain-like structure on its tip of the conidiophore known as conidia, which produce non-flagellate mitospores. So these are the conidia. So this is the structure of asexual reproductive organ. That's the hyphae. Next, the sexual reproduction by two methods. First, plasmogamy. Second, karyogamy, means the fusion of nucleus. First the cytoplasm fuse and then nucleus. After the fusion of nucleus, the cell stage is known as dikaryon or dikaryotic phase. Di means two, karyotic means nucleus, it having two nucleus, N and N. So basically it is a diploid structure. Now the dikaryotic phase having two nucleus. The dikaryotic cell act as mother cell which produce ascus A single ascus produces 4 to 8 haploid nuclei known as ascospore. Due to presence of this ascus, the name of the fungi is Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes. So this is about the sexual reproduction. After the formation of ascospore, the asci get arranged structure that is known as ascocarp. Ascocarps are the structure which having asci, the singular form is ascus and the multiple form is asci, are arranged in a cup-like structure and form ascocarps. The common example of the ascomycetes are Aspergillus, Neurospora, that is used in biochemical and genetics, which is useful in the biochemical and genetic study. Most are edible, which can be used as food. That common examples are morels and truffles are edible, and some produce antibiotics, that is penicillium. That produce penicillin, which act as antibiotic. The penicillium produce penicillin. That is act as antibiotics. So it's having different use in genetic technologies. Some are edible, some are antibiotic. This is all about the ascomycetes. In next lecture we will discuss about the third division, that is basidiomycetes.